Canada makes express entry history with record French language draw. Canada has just conducted one of the most historic express entry draws ever, sending a powerful signal about the country's immigration priorities for 2026. In early February, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada held the largest category-based selection round in express entry history, focusing entirely on French-speaking candidates. This draw is important not just because of the number of invitations issued, but because it confirms Canada's long-term strategy to strengthen francophone communities outside Quebec. For express entry candidates worldwide, this marks a major shift toward language-based and targeted immigration selection. Record-breaking French language express entry draw results. On 6 February 2026, IRCC issued 8,500 invitations to apply in a category-based express entry draw focused exclusively on French language proficiency. This makes it the largest category-specific express entry draw ever conducted. To qualify, candidates needed a minimum CRS score of 400 and must have created their express entry profile before 11:11 a.m. UTC on 3 February 2026. The relatively lower CRS requirement compared to other recent draws highlights the strong priority Canada is placing on bilingual and French-speaking talent. This draw also marks the sixth express entry selection round conducted in 2026, showing a fast and aggressive pace of invitations early in the year. Express entry draw activity so far in 2026. With this latest selection, Canada has now issued 24,178 invitations to apply through express entry in 2026 alone. The majority of these invitations have been concentrated in targeted categories rather than general all-program draws. So far this year, Canadian Experience Class candidates have received 14,000 invitations, French language candidates have received 8,500 invitations, and Provincial Nominee Program candidates have received 1,255 invitations. This distribution clearly shows Canada's focus on candidates already connected to the country or supporting long-term demographic and labour goals. How this draw fits into Canada's 2026 immigration strategy. The French language draw reflects Canada's broader immigration direction for 2026. Instead of inviting candidates from the entire global pool, IRCC is focusing on precision-based selection. This means prioritizing candidates who can immediately support economic needs, regional labor shortages, and linguistic diversity goals. French-speaking immigrants are particularly important for sustaining francophone minority communities in provinces like Ontario, New Brunswick, and Manitoba. Canada has also set increasing francophone immigration targets through the next several years, making language skills a major competitive advantage. Recent express entry draws leading up to this historic round. Just days before this French language selection, IRCC held a Provincial Nominee Program draw on 3 February, issuing 423 invitations with a CRS cutoff of 749. That drawing reinforced the importance of provincial nominations in Canada's immigration system. Earlier in January, a major Canadian Experience Class draw invited 6,000 candidates with a CRS score of 509, showing Canada's continued focus on retaining skilled workers already living and working in the country. Together, these draws show a clear pattern of targeted immigration selection instead of broad, all-program invitations. What this means for express entry candidates in 2026. The message from the early 2026 express entry draw is very clear. Candidates with strong French language skills, Canadian work experience, or provincial nominations currently have the highest chances of receiving invitations. Applicants without these advantages may need to improve language scores, explore provincial nomination programs, or gain Canadian experience to remain competitive as targeted selection continues. If current trends continue, more category-based draws are expected throughout 2026, especially as Canada works toward its long-term immigration and demographic targets. Conclusion. Language skills are becoming one of Canada's biggest PR advantages. Canada's largest ever French language express entry draw marks a major turning point in how permanent residence invitations are issued. The country is clearly moving toward targeted immigration that supports workforce needs, demographic balance, and linguistic diversity. For express entry candidates, language skills are no longer just an advantage, they are becoming one of the strongest pathways to permanent residence in 2026. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.